Turdy tornado. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Oh. 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 Wrong end.
Pouring out the sun. Back over the shoulder.
Ah, nature. Oh, okay, that one leaked out. Okay. Cheerio. Oh. Hardcore. Oh, okay. I tore something. Okay. Go, go, Power Rangers! Dabba dabba doo, excuse me. Oh. That was a fatality. Oh my goodness. Oh, make way! Oh. To infinity and beyond! Oh yeah. Lord have mercy. Okay. Okay. Okay, that was bubbly. Excuse me. Oh. Hey. Oh, Gesundheit. Thou shalt not pass. Bob and weave. Oh.
Yeah. And I was like, oh, like, I would buy it for him. How I feel about it.
Okay, that gave me a dead leg. Hot coffee coming through. Oh. Make way for the Porcelain King. Oh, excuse me.
What?
Okay. Okay, bad news bears.
To figure out. Look at that.
Quick! Oh.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I'll see you soon.
Why are you guarding him?
Excuse me, boys.
Why are you guarding him?
Beautiful stash.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. Thank you.
Girl.
Sis, as promised, you learned how to ride your bike. Show us some of the cool features about this new rod you got. A little hot rod. Oh, you got kickstand.
Yeah. And
Sweet.
we got a water holder.
Nice. Ooh. What made you want to go with pink?
Because my bike was pink and I love the color pink.
That makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. And what's going to go on the front?
That's it.
A basket, and that comes tomorrow, right? I think. Yeah. All right, sis. Let's see it. I want to see you kick the kickstand in and go for it. Left hand on the handle. Yep. Now kick it back. Almost. Lean it this way. Now try it. Almost. Good stuff. There we go. Now you're cooking. What is up, everybody? If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Little life update. This little guy right here. Hey, Dilly. You been going pee-pee in the potty?
Yeah.
He's been doing pretty good with his potty training. It's taken us quite some time to almost fully get him there, but he's almost there. I don't know if you guys have gone through it with your own kids and everything, but Elena was so much easier to like go through this whole process with, but Dilly has been a handful. Are you happy you're going poop and pee-pee on the potty?
Yeah.
Yeah? Where are you at? I can't see you. There you are. And then Elena, do you want to update everybody on you and Xander?
We broke up.
Why did you guys break up?
I don't know.
Young love, what can I say? Yeah, that's funny. She has two boys she likes, and she always talks about one over the other than the other one over the other. But yeah, typical kid stuff. What else? So after we bought this house, we, me and my friend Steven, who's also the editor of like all the videos, he and I are actually going to be getting a new office. We had one in downtown Phoenix for a while, but then we decided to get one that was closer to me because it was about a 45 to 40 minute drive. So it was getting to be a lot, especially when I had to like get home for like the kids and like get them from school and stuff. We're gonna be getting one closer to me. We actually started the new podcast. What are you doing, Dilly? Dilly, what are you doing? Going a little different of a route. doing something a little bit different, more business type stuff. We actually already had our first one with a guy that owns a really cool clothing brand. So gonna be on to episode 2 soon. But anywho, other than that, next week we will be in LA in the Santa Monica area. We will be filming there. And besides that, not much else I can think of. Yeah, I also forgot. This year, I think we are going to attempt to go to Oktoberfest. Yeah, I'm kind of excited. At least one video while we're in Europe. The other place I really want to go and get a video done in is, I don't know if I talked about it before, is Japan. Everyone just seems so nice and like, it'd be a lot of fun. But yeah, a lot of people have been asking me to go to different places, like different countries. So those are the 2 that are on my list to go to. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces. Oh, excuse me. Emergency.
Wait, I don't want to.
Oh, okay. That one took a lot out of me. Oh. Sorry, ladies, I was not supposed to come out. I am Fatakis. Oh, geez. Excuse me, guys. Sorry.
That was wrong.
Parkour.
Right here. So, these are, I know. Legal party. These educational rights. I'm good. We'll go way back.